Amicia? Don't hurt me. Where are we? No! It's starting again. I need help. Wait! Wait for me! Are you the only one here? Where's Amicia? No! Don't go! Breathe! Breathe! Where are you going? I need to go back. I need my sister and my mummy. Maybe he knows where they are. Yes, maybe they're through here. What? Oh, what is this place? Amicia? Mummy? Lucas? Where are you? I feel bad. No. It hurts. Please. Please. Stop screeching and help me. Help me. Find them. Help me. No, not that. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stop this noise. What do you want? You're so noisy. All right, I'm coming. Is this dying? I don't want to die. It's going away. It's the water. You saved me. Thank you. Can I come back here? Or with someone?
Look who's awake.
Did you sleep well?
I was dreaming. Where are we?
Was it your island dream again?
Yes, I was sick, and then there was a big bird that saved me. But what happened, Amicia? At the farm?
We were playing by the river, remember? But you felt very tired all of a sudden. So I carried you back, and you fell asleep.
It's probably just a lack of salt in your blood.
But Amicia...
It's been a long trip, Hugo. We're all exhausted. But the Red City's at hand. We'll get you checked there.
You know, we're going to meet a great alchemist there. From the Order. They know the macula very well. They've been studying it for centuries.
Yet they didn't come to help us in Guyenne before we had to flee.
They didn't know the Inquisition would come after us. They are ready to welcome us now.
Let's hope they'll make up for it then.
They will. The macula's not just in Hugo's blood. It concerns everybody. And it can change everything.
What's that?
I don't know. Be careful.
Let's see.
Hello there!
Hello? What's going on?
We're looking for a boy and a girl.
What did they do exactly?
They trespassed on a family's property. There was an argument and men were slaughtered. The younger brother witnessed it.
Oh, that's horrible. I hope you find the culprits.
Oh, I do too. The boys are my nephews.
Mother, we need to leave. Now.
Yes. Sorry, we still have quite the road ahead of us.
Hello.
We won't take long. The boy! It's them! Come here!
No, wait!
Amicia!
You! Get the cart! Oh, don't let her get away! I know you're in there somewhere. Show yourself!
My sling.
Where is she?
Still in the cart.
Do you see her?
Move on. Stay low.
Look, she was right there. She must be still around. Open your eyes. Let's extend the search to the fields.
Yes. Go away.